Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
How's it? Today we are making ginger wine. It is one of the staples that people make for Christmas. It is a very easy wine to make. Very few ingredients needed. Or rather, this is my recipe, so there is very few ingredients needed. I've got 800 grams of ginger, almost double the quantity of sugar, which is around 1.6 kgs of sugar, 2 oranges. I take Valencia oranges, you can take any orange you want, 2 limes, about 5 cloves, and yeast, about 15 grams of yeast. Okay, now the method to do it is you take the ginger and you crush it. It's basically crushed like that to get out its juices and things like that. So it comes like this in crushed form, and then you have to crush the whole lot of it. Okay, now this is ready. I've got the crushed 800 grams. Now I need to put 4 liters of water, into which I will put this 800 grams of my crushed ginger. Then into this I will put this cloves, about 5 cloves I've got, and then I have to put the oranges sliced into rounds. This is 1.6 kgs of sugar which I will put. It's almost double the quantity of the ginger which I use. So that is also put into this. Then I just have to add the lime. Actually, I just need the juice of the lime. Then I stir it and then I put it on the stove for about 30 minutes. It has to boil for 30 minutes. Now I finished boiling this for 30 minutes. It has boiled and it has cooled really well. So after this I add the yeast. The yeast has been put into this. It's about 15 grams of yeast. I think I've told you that before. So you just add this to this. Okay, now the yeast is stirred in. I'll be putting this into this vessel, that's we say the barni. It will be put and it is kept there for almost a month, 15 days of which you have to stir it and every day. Then you strain it, and the next 15 days it has to be kept without touching it. After then it clears down, the sediments come down, and it will be clear wine on top which you can take and have a drink if you want to. Okay, this has been poured into this. At the moment I can't do it by myself, I need help from my son. Rohit, come, take that. It has been poured into that. Okay, fine. Okay, tie it down. Yes. Oh, your twine is there. I hope to open it tomorrow. Allah, this has to be opened now, tomorrow, stirred, tied again. So I need that for the next 15 days. It has to be done. Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Yes.